Hi, I'm Marcel from Pyrodigital, and in this video I want to show you our new feature, the 00X Suppression. If you're scripting for Pyrodigital, it is quite usually to use the address 000 to bring in labels into your script. This is of course quite handy, but on the other hand, if you would ever have out there a module that is set to 00, or you have set up one by accident to 00, of course this will fire, because the 000 will go out as a command to the network, and if there's a module with the address 00, of course it will fire its corresponding clamp. So in order to not fire those queues, we implemented the 00X suppression. So it will just not allow this command to go out. So I have a script prepared, and let's first see how it is shooting if I don't have this additional suppression activated. So right now it's enabled as usual, like you used to it from the old FC3. So I fire, sorry, I have to set this of course to 00, and I now fire the clamps at clamp 1, clamp 2, clamp 3, and clamp 4. Alright, now let's put in the 00X suppression. X means like all clamps on the module 00 from 0 to F. Therefore, I go to data table, I go to device setup, safety settings, I choose 00X suppression, and I enable it, pressing 1. Enter to go back to the main menu, and now we go to the manual fire mode again. I turn the key, if it is safe to do so. And now we're shooting the addresses 1, 2, 3, and 4 again in the script, but as we have the suppression activated, those will not be forwarded to the networks at all. So will not go out of the view controller at all. So I fire 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing happened because those commands were not transmitted on the bus. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a look to our homepage pyrodigital.com for more videos, and of course also all our equipment. I hope to see you soon. Bye.